Hi, my name is Julian and I'm going to be going into detail, step by step, how you can buy PointPay token, and I'm sharing with you my personal opinion of it and a review of it in a general, just a short general term. So I'm going to start with the easiest way you can buy PointPay token, step by step, and how you can do it. The simplest way possible, that's without having to go anywhere else or do anything else other than just being on the platform itself. So first up, you need to actually sign up to PointPay. So that's the first step. I'm also going to share with you how you can buy it there's other ways you can buy it also. So you want to pointpay.io. So you just want to search that up on Google. You can also hit the link in my description that will take you to it. It is my affiliate link, but it isn't necessary. I appreciate it if you do use my link, as I will get like a small percent of whatever you purchase. But that isn't the reason why I'm not promoting this, but sharing with you PointPay token platform, as I believe in the actual currency and the platform in general. I like what they're doing. So first up, I'm going to come onto the platform itself. I'm going to sign up. So I'm going to log out of my account really quickly just to show you. Sign up here. This is how your page should look. So you just sign up your account here. I'm doing this very basic so everyone understands how it all works. So set up your account here, put in the necessary details. So click the account, create the account. You will need to verify your email address. So you will just get sent an email. You just click and follow what they tell you to do. It's really simple. Just go into email address and confirm your account. Log into your account once you've verified your account. I will simply log in. I do have a two-factor set up, so I recommend for you guys to set up two-factor authentication as well. I will just pause the video for this step and enter my two-factor, and then I'll just get right back into it. Alright, so I'm right back here. So this is where you will go if you want to set up two-factor. I just thought I'd share with you really quickly. So you click this little toolpad here, this little tool here, and it should take you to the page that I just shared with you. So you can set up them directly on here. It should be pretty easy, straightforward. Just follow the step-by-step guide. You can also download the apps on Google and App Store. You just search up PointPay on Google or on the App Store, on Google Play, or you can search it up on the App Store itself. Alright, so this is a step by step how you can do it. Alright, so now I'm going to do this actually live. I'm going to buy some tokens with you live. So all I did was go to this payment system here. You can do it directly on their token system here, but I found you have to verify your account again. I've already verified my account. It's just simply uploading your identification and confirming with you that you're an actual real person and you're who you say you are. That's just a simple process that everyone has to go through. But if you want to do it a different way, you can do it with Apple Pay. So that's what I personally recommend. You can do it with any way that I just shown you before. I'll just go back. I won't go back, but so at the top here you can just do it any way you wish, like whatever way you want to purchase it. It does take a little bit to load here, so I'll just come back after it's loaded. I'm not sure exactly why it takes so long. It's just either something to do with my computer or just they're maybe getting a lot of traffic at the moment. I'm sure they're improving their platform. I'd say that's a downfall with a bit of a slow loading, but other than that I've had no issues. Alright, so now I'm on the platform here. You can just tell them how much you want to get. So USD, you want to get how much of USD you want to get. Where is it? So this is just an example of like whatever, like it shows you how much you will actually get. Like it gives you just an example of what it's worth. So you're actually going to get PXP tokens here. So you get bonus PXP tokens just for purchasing while the ICO is live. So you hit continue once you're ready to go. So how you want to pay. So you can pay with Google Pay, Samsung Pay, or Visa and debit. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to choose with Apple Pay because I think that's the easiest way that I know of. So you want to click where you want to send this to. I just want to put it in my PointPay bank account because you can actually earn interest on whatever you put in. So I just want to do it that way. I have to understand that it might take up to 48 hours to get it. So you have to be aware of that as well. I'm going to share with you. So once you've done this step, you should get the MoonPay. You might have to verify your account with ID, like I've said. I have to get a verification code once again sent to my email. I'm happy to do this on here. I'll just type it in. I just got emailed this code. It should be an email address once you set up your account. Alright, so now I just have to put this in here and then I have to click agree to MoonPay authentication. So I just have to authorize this payment. So we'll be back in one moment. All I'm doing is putting in the security code and then I'm going to click buy now, and then I'm set. I'll just be back in one moment. Alright, so now the payment's actually processed. I've just put in that detail that I just said that I would do. All you have to do really is put in your credit card details and then you just have to process it. It's really that simple. It's not complex. Your credit card details, everyone knows how to put those in. Once you've done that, of course it will want me to verify my phone number. This is just something with my bank. This might not be something you have to do. So all I do is get a code from my bank and I put that in here, and then it's all set. 126 and bang. Once that's done, I just press continue and I should have the payment processed and it should be ready to go. As you can see, it's processed, tells me the fees. It might take a few minutes or up to an hour to get the actual crypto. So that's one simple method to do it directly with MoonPay, and it's really easy to process. As you can see, it's already processed. It might even be there in 5 minutes. So that's how simple it is to do it with Visa or debit or pay with your card directly. I'll share with you now how you can do this with other payment methods. Alright, so now depending on where you actually put your money. So I bought the Bitcoin. When I was buying, I put it with Bitcoin. So now the easiest way now to convert it, of course. Alright, so I've just purchased it and I've just bought the Bitcoin. So I bought Bitcoin with mine. So now the easiest way to do this is you simply want to convert it to PXP. So as you can see at the bottom right, you can pretty much convert anything to PXP token, depending on how much you got. So convert your checkings account or your savings account. So as you can see, I've got mine in my savings account. That allows you to get the you get to earn interest per year. It's really easy to actually do it to convert it to your savings account. But here we go. It's in my checkings account. You either would have chose to put it into your bank, or you would have chose to put it in your wallet. So depending on the options you chose, if you look back in the video, you'll see that I said you can either put it in the wallet or in the bank. Doesn't really matter. Either way, you can still send it from either one. So now all you want to do now, depending on where you put your whatever you bought and wherever you put it, so you can either put it in the bank or the wallet, you just want to convert it to BXB token, and it will tell you how much you'll get, and then you just hit continue, confirm, and you should be ready to go. Bang. Now it will instantly go into PXP token. And if you want to convert it back or sell it or whatever, you can do that, I'm pretty sure. I'll share with you another video some other time on how to do that. But that's the easiest way that I know that you can do it. The other way is simply signing up for an exchange. I'm not going to give you a rundown on how to do this, but I'll give you one moment. Alright, so the other way that you can actually get more PointPay, how to buy it, is simply going to click the token sale on the top left here. It will bring up this tab here. So you can either use any of these. You can use a Trust Wallet, Crypto.com, Binance, any of these, and you can send the cryptocurrency into PointPay. So let's say you click on Binance, for example, and then you just click next. Then you just want to click in which cryptocurrency you want to send into PointPay. So let's say Litecoin, because it's easy to transfer. Now all you do is pretty much simply copy this address, go to the exchange that you're going to send it on. So this one is Binance. It doesn't really matter, I don't think. And you'd go to like your wallet on your exchange, and then you'd go to the coin that you want to send. So Litecoin. So Litecoin is the one that I want to send. So I have to make sure it's Litecoin. Make sure you actually do send it Litecoin, because otherwise you will lose it. So whatever option you want to be able to send your cryptocurrency on the exchange. So whatever exchange you're on, the wallet, it doesn't really matter. You just want to hit the send button. Now you just want to put in the amount that you want to send and put in the address that you want to send it to. So this is just the address that you got given here to send it to. Then you just would send it. You might have to confirm things, because I have things set up where I have to confirm it by email, confirm it by text. That's just normal. And then I would just hit send. This you don't have to worry about. This is only if you set it up. 2-factor code, SMS code. So I just have it set up security wise, more security. But this is different, probably it might be slightly different on other exchanges, but that's how you do it pretty much. I just wanted to share with you another option if you understand how all the exchange stuff works. If you're a beginner and you don't understand it, I do have a video on how to actually buy cryptocurrency. I'll make a video on how to actually send cryptocurrency from exchanges. If you guys are interested in that, I'll do a full video on how to do this. But that's an easy way to show you. You could do the same thing with Binance Australia. It's the same thing. You want to sign up to here, you want to verify your account, You can sign up on register right here with email or phone number, and then just follow step by step how to set up your account, and then you can buy cryptocurrency on here and then send it to PointPay as well, and you should be able to get it in there. So here's all the options that you can use to buy it with. So you got the Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, Google Pay, and everything like that. Like either options, they all work pretty much the same. If you follow what I did step by step, you should have PointPay in your account. Alright, if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to let me know in the description below, and I'll happy to answer them. Now overall, what I think of the project, I think it's a solid project, and they're planning to pretty much be the first bank for cryptocurrency. They're trying to pretty much be the first bank, and they have a lot of like good ratings, as you can see. They've got Telegram groups in multiple languages. They've got a solid community. If you look at their Twitter follower, you can look into more details. I've got a video that breaks down this. I will link that video below as well. I actually read over this and go into more detail. You can go look at here, implemented coming up features, burning model for PXP, buyback system for PXP, lower swap fees for PXP token holders. So for people to hold PXP tokens, you benefit overall. As you can see the team here. You can see the roadmap, why invest into them, and you can see the partners, media, and that sort of stuff. So I hope you guys understand how to actually do this. If you have any questions at all, let me know below. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.